Okay, Nathan. What's this?
Apple.
Right. What's this?
House.
That's right. What's this?
Dog.
You're right, dog. What's this?
Machine.
Is it a number? Is it a 9?
9.
Mm-hmm.
So 9.
What's this? You got 2 letters? Good. What's this?
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo. What is this?
B.
You're right.
The
Do you know this one?
F.
You're right. Let's do another one. Do you know this one?
O.
No, this one. That's an 8.
8.
What's that? What's that?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. One more, Nathan. What's this?
Key.
K for key. You're right.